Howdy fans, how you doing today? Well, thank you so much for tuning in today's awesome vlog. If you're curious on what I'm doing today in my awesome room today, well, I want to apologize to my viewers and fans. I support Slick, he's an awesome kind of guy, but I just do the things I gotta do as well. But today, we got a unboxing for you today, should I say. No, I didn't order anything off of Amazon this time. I actually ordered something from B&H's website itself, and basically it has to do with a battery. And it has to do something with this camcorder itself. You know how I like to film a whole lot, but remember these small battery packs, the only 1 hour and 30 some minutes, but basically I got two of these. And I was like, I got a non-battery for this camcorder. Let's go ahead and find out and open up the package. Let's go and have some awesome fun, shall we? Did you order small batteries? No, I actually ordered a much bigger battery for you guys and girls for a lot of different reasons. Because I love to film a lot. And let's go and crack this bad boy open. Flink! Get that out of here. Oh, you have to make it more difficult to open a box. Let's tear it open. But first of all, it looks like we got more tearing of a box here. Holy stickins, what's going on here? Oh, can't see that. Some personal information I can't show you guys and girls. Wow. It's an empty box. Doink! Get that out of here. Doink! Look at that. That's the extended battery for my camcorder. I was waiting to get this for a reason. Awesome. Let me kind of explain here. Here is my battery charger. This is what I use for my batteries. You can kind of see it's an actual Panasonic battery charger. Basically, it has the same type of connections as my camcorder itself has. But let me kind of explain about the difference of these batteries here. This battery here, this lithium-ion battery pack, should I say, is only a 1 hour and 30 minute battery. And that's basically the runtime of this type of small battery pack. It's not too bad, but it does work for what it needs, should I say. And these are all very good batteries. But if you're going to be filming a whole lot like I do, you're going to need a much bigger capacity battery, just like this one right here. This is a 3 hour battery, I hope, because I do a lot of filming. But let's go ahead and continue to unbox this item right here. But before we do that, let's see if it's any instructions. And of course, we do, and we don't need to worry too much about that. It should be compatible with my camcorder. And here is the much bigger battery. Wow, that's just the capacity. Look how big that is compared than the smaller one. That's some craziness sizes. But the one thing I want to know, would it fit on my battery charger? And it does. Awesome. I can't wait to test it, but I'm gonna have to charge it first before I can use it. Alright, to all my awesome viewers, I want to say something I'm the type of guy who likes to buy brand name devices. Definitely when it comes to batteries for my camcorder. I do not like generic batteries. I don't know why. It's just something I just never liked about generic battery packs. I always go with the brand name of the company and the battery who makes it. This is the actual model of my battery, and here is some information on the back of the unit. If you want to scan the barcode, you can do that if you want. But basically, here is the brand name, and here's the voltage, and everything else. But basically, this does fit my camcorder. It is compatible with this system. And by the way, this battery is not fully charged by factory. It's basically dead. You have to put it on a charger and physically actually charge this battery. But here's a bit more of a better close-up of the batteries. This is a 1 hour and 30 minute battery, and this is a 3 hour battery, should I say. But you can see, I do have my charger right here. Let's go ahead and put it on the charger. And by the way, and you can see there's that green light right there. It's actually charging this battery. And I'm just going to put it off to the side and let it do its thing, should I say, and let it charge. I don't know how long it's going to take, but hey, if the light turns off, that means it's all good. But for now, I'm just going to use these batteries here. I just have to wait for that battery to charge. But alright, if you guys enjoyed brand new channel, please hit that subscribe button. Leave an awesome comment down below. Please like, please share. Peace out. We'll hopefully see you in the future vlog. And thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Catch you later.